Akala ko magkakagera na eh. Magla-live first military drills kasi ang People's Liberation Army sa paligid ng Taiwan. Buti na lang alerto ang Taiwan Defense, pinosisyon agad ang air defense missile system at nag-deploy ng mga fighter jet. Ito namang China, puro pagbabanta lang ata ang kayang gawin. 10 beses na ata itong military drills nila sa paligid ng Taiwan eh. Pero anyari, nga, puro yabang lang ata ang alam ng China. May caption pa sila sa social media na Taiwan is so beautiful and so close. Pero ayaw naman sakupin. Ang AFP at US Army sa EDCA sites nakaalerto naman. Pati nga ang US Navy Carrier Strike Group muling umalis sa Bao de Masinloc at pumwesto malapit sa Batanes. Baka kasi itong war games ng China mauwi sa actual o totoong gera. Ang naturang pagsasanay daw ay nakatutok sa Pilipinas, Amerika at Japan. Madadamay daw tayo sa digmaan kung makikisaw-saw tayo. Huwag na daw nating tangkain pang manggulo.
这是对台独分裂势力和外部干涉势力的严重警告，是捍卫国家主权、维护国家统一的正当必要行动。
Si US President Donald Trump naman nagsalita sa posibleng gera sa Taiwan at China. Pachil-chil nga lang si President Trump eh. Hindi daw siya nababahala o wala man lang daw siyang nararamdamang takot. Nothing worries me. Ika nga ni Trump.
Has been doing naval exercises basically to test encircling Taiwan. Can you explain to us what your knowledge is of that? What do you think about that?
They've been doing that for 2025.
Were you?
No, nothing worries me. Nothing.
Where there's smoke, there's...
Bagamat bahagyang nagpanik ang Taiwan Defense Minister nanindigang lalaban sila kung magkakagulo. Handa daw nilang ipaglaban ang kanilang kalayaan sa kamay ng mananakop na China.
Because we must take appropriate measures under the premise of ensuring our national security and sovereignty. As this confrontation continues to escalate, the risk of conflict between the two sides will only continue to accumulate. And it will not help to resolve differences or disputes.
Mariing kinundinan ng Taiwan presidential spokesperson ang paglabag ng China sa international law. Ang ginawa ng Chinang military drills ay nakasisira sa peace and stability sa Indo-Pacific region. Puro yabang daw ang China dahil porket malakas ang kanilang militar.
Peace and stability in the Taiwan Strait and the Indo-Pacific is a high consensus of the international community. The Chinese People's Liberation Army, conducting targeted military exercises around our country, not only brutally undermines the current state of security and stability in the Taiwan Strait and the Indo-Pacific region, but is also an open challenge to international law and international order. Our country expresses strong condemnation of the Chinese authorities disregarding international norms and using military activities and means to threaten neighboring countries.
Kayo, sa tingin nyo sasakupin na ng China ang Taiwan? Handa ba ang China mapaggera sa Pilipinas, Taiwan, Japan at Amerika ng sabay-sabay? Ano sa tingin nyo? Ikomento sa baba yung saloobin.